Welcome to this video on mastering the SSC Typing Test. This blueprint will break down key speed parameters, KDPH requirements, calculation formulas, and essential accuracy targets to help you prepare effectively. To clear the Tier 2 typing evaluation, you must meet specific requirements within a 10-minute window. You need a minimum speed of 35 words per minute for English, or 30 for Hindi. Remember, the official metric is key depressions per hour, or KDPH, not just raw word count. The SSC uses a standard where one word equals 5 keystrokes. To reach the 35 word per minute goal, your base hourly target is 10,500 KDPH. This is scaled down to a 10-minute session, converted into standard words, and divided by time to verify your final speed. Remember, accuracy is king. A high speed of 45 words per minute is useless if your accuracy falls below requirements. Errors like spelling mistakes, missing punctuation, or improper casing will significantly drop your net speed. Focus on accuracy first. Speed will follow. Avoid common traps that can hinder your performance. Don't look down at the keyboard, as it breaks your focus. Avoid overusing the backspace key, as it hurts your rhythm. Also, ensure you practice with proper punctuation and use mock exam interfaces to prepare for real-world conditions. Follow this action plan to succeed. Commit to a structured 30-day training regime to build muscle memory. Use simulated training to get comfortable with the interface, and utilize live diagnostics to monitor your daily improvements and identify specific mechanical weaknesses. Our structured English curriculum helps you transition from basic key placements to complex word groupings. With smart filtering options for different key rows and a built-in progress tracker, you can effectively manage your training and analyze your keystroke data. Our built-in marathon simulator offers custom difficulty levels, from easy to very hard. You can select your preferred test duration, such as 10, 20, or 30 minutes, and start immediately with simple, interactive modules designed to mirror exam conditions. Follow these typing hacks to improve your speed and productivity. Use all your fingers correctly, keep your wrists relaxed, and focus on maintaining a steady rhythm. Consistency and daily practice are the best ways to reach professional typing speed. Prepare with our strict government exam mode. This feature disables the backspace key to force accuracy, applies standard word rules where 5 keystrokes equal 1 word, and provides a strict character-by-character evaluation with no automatic corrections. Finally, this platform covers a wide range of target exams. Whether you are preparing for SSC CGL, railways, police and defense, courts, or institutional clerical exams, we provide the specific training modules needed to meet your required speed thresholds.